Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to program and install your keypad garage door remote. It's very simple, no wiring involved. Okay, so you can do this door by door. It will do multiple doors with the same opener. And so a little tip of advice, if you have it before you install it, you can just do this step right here next to it. But what you're going to do is open this up, and you'll notice it says learn. So when you push it once, it'll blink. And then when you push it again, you'll notice it blinks a little differently, a little bit slower. Now you have 30 seconds to input your 4-digit code. Okay, so just as an example, 1111, enter. And I heard it click. So now it's ready to go. So it accepted that. So now we'll try this again. 1111, enter. There it goes. Okay. And you can press enter at any time and it will reverse the action that it's doing. Okay, if you don't have the keypad one, then you may have to hit the yellow learn button and do the same process. So now for the installation, it is very easy. All we're going to do is open up the front cover and we're going to pull this cover straight down. You might need to pop it forward with a screwdriver to get it to slide down, but there's a hole on the bottom part and then there's a little squared off hole at the top. So we're going to drill in to the house right where we want it, about eye levels, right? It's going to sit higher in the end than where you drill it, leave a little bit sticking out, and then we're going to take the little box area there and set it over the screw that we just screwed in, and then we're going to slide it down gently. Now it's not going to lock into place at this point, it's just going to hang there. So now we're going to open the cover up, and this is where we're going to make sure that it's level, and we're going to add our second screw to the bottom. So with the Phillips screwdriver, the same as the top one, we're just going to screw this in. So this is where you really want to make sure that it's level. Now replace the battery and install the cover. So now for the second one, same thing, hit learn. It'll beep, hit learn again. The beep lights will flash a little differently. You have 30 seconds to go ahead and put in that next code. Okay, second door, we'll go 2222, enter. I heard a click. There we go. So thanks for watching. Please check the video description where I have other similar videos to this and playlists for them. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.